third bit, A value is 5. We don't have A2 and A3. Again, A4 is 9, 1 by 2. So using A4, we will find the D value so that we can find the A2 and A3. Using just A value, we cannot find the D value. For finding D value, we have to have the series term which is greater than A, that is A4 value. A4 is equal to, now A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Formula for A4 is A plus 3D, where D being the common difference. So A4 is given 9 by 9, 1 by 2. A is 5 plus 3D. Now this is an improper fraction, the mixed fraction, so we will convert it into improper fraction, which is now equal to 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 2 is equal to 5 plus 3D. Now if 5 comes here, this will be written as 19 by 2 minus 5 by 1 is equal to 3D. Now LCM is 2, 2 ones are 1 into 19, 19, 1 2s are 2 5s are 10, 3D. So this will be equal to 9 by 2 3D, and we can also write this as 3D equal to 9 by 2. Now D value will be, D value is equal to 9 by 2 into, if this 3 comes to the right hand side, since this is multiplication, means 3 into D, so this will be converted to reciprocal. So 3 ones are 3 3s are. So D value is 3 by 2. Now since we got D value and already we have the first term, that is A value, which is equal to 5, we can easily find A2 and A3. Now A2 is equal to, formula is A plus D. A value is 5, D value is 3 by 2. Now if we take LCM, 2 is the LCM. Now we have to multiply 1 with 2. 2 5s are 10. So 2 has to be multiplied with 1 to get 2. So 1 3s are 3. So A2 is 13 by 2. Similar way, we can find the A3 value. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. So A value is 5 plus 2 into D. D value is 3 by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. Now this 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So A3 value is 8 and A2 value is 3 by 2. So these both are the missing terms in the equation. That is fourth bit, we have A value is equal to minus 4. We don't have A2, A3, A4, A5 also we don't have, but we have A6 value, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now because we cannot use A value to find D, we will be using the only value available to find D is A6. So A6 is equal to A plus 5D. So A6 value is 6, A value we have minus 4 plus 5D. Now if 4 comes here, this will be 6 plus 4 is equal to 5D. Now this is 10 equal to 5D, or we can write this as 5D equal to 10, which is equal to D equal to 10 by 5. So D value is 2. So once we have the D value and the first term, we can find any term of the series. So we have to find A2. A2 is nothing but A plus D, which is A is minus 4 plus 2, which is equal to minus 2. Next we are finding A3 value. A is nothing but A plus 2D. A is minus 4 plus 2 into D value is 2. So minus 4 plus 4 is nothing but minus 4 gets cancelled. A3 is 0. Now A4. A4 is A plus 3D. A is minus 4 plus 3 into 2, which is equal to minus 4 plus 6 is 6 minus 4 is 2. Again, A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A is nothing, A is minus 4 plus 4 into 2. So D value is 2. Minus 4 plus 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So the second term is minus 2. Third term is 0. Fourth term is 2. And fifth term is 4. Fifth bit, we don't have A. We only have the second bit and 3, 4, 5, sixth term. So A we don't have. A2 we have 38. A3 we have to find. A4 also we have to find. A5 also we have to find. But A6 we have the value minus 22. Now using this A2 and A6 we will find the value of A and D. So first we will take A2. A2 equal to 38. But the formula for A2 is A plus D is equal to 38. So this is equation 1. Similar way we will write A6. A6 is equal to minus 22. So A6 is nothing but A plus 5D, which is equal to minus 22. Now this is equation 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2, we have A plus D equal to 38 and A plus 5D equal to minus 22. So the signs will change. Minus A plus A gets cancelled. This will be minus 4D is equal to this plus 38 and plus 22 will be 8 plus 2 is 10, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So D is 4 minus 4D equal to 60. D equal to minus 60 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4. 4 5s are 20. So D equal to minus 15. So to get the A value, we will substitute value of D in equation 1. Substitute D equal to minus 15 in equation 1. So equation 1 is A plus D is equal to 38. A value we don't have. D value is minus 15 is equal to 38. So A minus 15 is equal to 38. A equal to 38. Now minus 15, when it comes to right hand side, it will becomes plus 1. So A equal to 38 plus 15. 3 plus 5 is 13. 4 5 53. A is 53. Now we will find A3, A4 and A5. We have the D value as minus 15 and A value as 53. So we have to find A3. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. A value is 53 plus 2 into minus 15. So this will be 53 minus 30, which is equal to 23. Similar way we will find A4. A4 equal to A plus 3D. So A value is 53 plus 3 into D, which is equal to 53 minus 45. 3 into 15 is 45. So the value will be equal to 53 minus 45. Now 53 minus 45. This 13 minus 5 is 8. So 53 minus 45 is 8. A4 is 8. Similar way we are going to find the A5 value. A5 is A plus 4D. So A value is 53 plus 4 into minus 15. So 53 minus 60 is equal to minus 7. So we got A value as 53. A2 we have. A3 we have 23. A4 is 8 and A5 is minus 7.